using today is Red Heart. So I have the Red Heart Comfort yarn, and this is Black Fleck. So I love all these fall colors. There's like orange and yellow and white. I love this one. And the other color is Red Heart Comfort yarn, and it's off-white. So you can use any size yarn, any size crochet hook. Today I'm going to be using a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. All right, let's get started. Okay, to start, we're going to start with a magic loop. So you just cross them like that, and then go under, and then grab the yarn, pull it through, and then come back over and grab this yarn, and then pull that through the loop. Right, so now that makes your magic loop. And now do one chain, do another chain, so that's 2 chains, and then we're going to do into the magic loop, we're going to do 9 triple crochets. You're going to yarn over twice, so once, twice, and then go into the loop, yarn over, or pull the loop through, yarn over, and then go through 2, yarn over, go through 2 more, yarn over again, and go through 2 more, the last 2. And that's a triple crochet. And we're going to be doing 9 of those into this loop. So again, once more, yarn over twice, 1, 2, and then go into the loop, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and go through 2, yarn over, go through 2 more, yarn over, and go through the last 2. All right. We need to do 9 of those triple crochets into this loop. So once you have your 9 triple crochets, then you're going to chain 5, and then you want to do another triple crochet, and then chain 3, and do another triple crochet into the loop, and then chain 5, and then you can pull your magic loop tight. Oops. Okay, so you want to go in to the top of the first chain 2 space of that first row, and then do a slip stitch. So just pull the yarn through, and then pull it through that loop. All right, now you can kind of see the skull forming. For the second row, we're going to do a chain 1, and then in this same stitch, you're going to do 1 single crochet, Alright, and then you're going to do 1 single crochet in these next 9 triple crochets. So go to the next one, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, 9. Okay, and now in this chain 5 space, we're going to be going right around, so like right in and around that chain, and we're going to do 6 single crochet. So go in the loop, pull it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to slip stitch into this chain 3 space. So you just go through, like underneath that chain 3 space, pull the yarn through and slip it through the loop. Now we're in the chain 3 space. So now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets. So a double crochet, you just yarn over once, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and then go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the second 2, and do another one. And then chain 2, and then slip stitch back into this loop right in here. So go through, pull the yarn through and through the loop, and then in this chain 5 space, we're going to do 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now you can see the skull forming or formed. So now we want to go to our first single crochet here, which is this one right here. Go through, pull the yarn through and slip stitch into that loop, and then chain 1, and then you can cut your yarn and pull that through, tighten it up, and there you have the skull. And then we can tuck these ends in, which I'm going to be doing that after. I'll show you how I do this. For the center magic loop, I will go around a couple times, and then that keeps it tight and sturdy in there. Okay, I will show you how to do the granny square around the skull now. Okay, so I'm going to change to the black. So you want to do slip knot. So I just go around and you pull that through and tighten it up onto your hook. So we're going to do a standing double crochet, and we're going to go through, so not this first stitch, but the next one over. So we're not going into this one, we're going to be going into this one. So this is your first, where the slip stitch is. You're going to be going into this one here, not the slip stitch. So the next stitch over. So to do a standing double crochet, you want to hold your tail and then wrap around. So wrap your yarn around and then go through, so not this one, but the next stitch over. So you go through. Oops, get this tail out of the way. Go through, so you still have your wrap, and then you want to hold your tail, and then you want to bring that loop through and hold your tail, yarn over, and go through 2, yarn over, and go through the next 2. Okay, so there you have your standing double crochet. And then we're going to chain 2 for the corner, and then wrap around and do 2 double crochets into the same space. One, so, and this is the formation of our first corner. And then you're going to do a double crochet in the next stitch. And then 3 half double crochets, or 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So for a half double crochet, you yarn over, go through, yarn over, and then go through all 3 loops on the hook. So again, a half double crochet, yarn over, pull your loop through, and then go through all 3 loops. So that's the third half double crochet. And then you want to do a double crochet in the next stitch. And then 2, this is going to be our next corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet all in this one stitch here. So 1, 2, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, and there's our corner. And then 1 double crochet here in the next stitch. And then you're going to do one half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is going to be a next corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet all in this one stitch. 1, 2, and then chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and then another double crochet in the next stitch. And then we're going to skip this stitch here, and we're going to go into the teeth. So you're going to go over to this next stitch on the teeth, and do a single crochet, and then another single crochet in the next stitch, and then this chain 2 space, go in to that chain 2 space and do another single crochet, and then do a double crochet in the next stitch, and this is your next corner. So do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet. There's a corner. Got 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2. And now in the next 4 stitches, you're going to do one half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're back to this. So this slip stitch one, we're going to do 1 double crochet. Right into there in the next stitch. And then we're back to this first corner. So we started with 1 standing double crochet and then chain 2 and 2. So we need to add 1 more double crochet in here, and then we can slip stitch to this first double crochet. So do a double crochet into this corner space. Okay, and then you want to attach it with, or join with, a slip stitch into the top of this the first standing double crochet that we did. Okay, so slip stitch, so wrap yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that loop. All right, so now we got that foundation in. Okay, so now we can flip our work. And chain 2. Okay, so now we are going to do 1 double crochet in every stitch until we get to the corners. Then we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in each corner. Okay, so then when you get to the corner stitch, I'm going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet all in this corner. Chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet. You got your corner, and then do a double crochet in every stitch. So once you've finished that corner, then you want to come up to this. This is the chain 2, and we're going to go into the top of this chain 2 space and slip stitch to join. So in the top of this chain 2 space, and then pull your yarn through, and then pull it through the loop. There. So then you can do one chain and then cut your yarn and pull that through, pull it tight. So then there's the cute little skull granny square. So now you want to tuck in all your ends, and I like to use this yarn needle. I like the ones with the bend in it. So I want to show you how to do this one. So you want to pull that tight and thread your yarn needle. I like to use this little gourd safety pin. I put it through my yarn needle, put the yarn through, and then you can pull it through your yarn needle. So much easier. Okay, so now for the magic loop, you want to go in the direction that you're pulling. So this one is coming out here, so I'm going to go in here. And I like to go around a couple times, and you just pull it nice and tight. And this will hold it in place, because you don't want that to unravel, because then everything, your whole skull will unravel. Okay, once you've gone through or gone around a few times, you can cut your yarn. And then tuck in the rest. So this is the finished base of the granny square. You can add on as many rows as you'd like if you wanted to make it bigger, or use this as is and attach them together. So thank you for watching. And if you like, if you're new here and like crochet, knitting, and sewing, why not hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tutorials. And have a great day.